You search for how to buy shares of Lindab International AB. Lindab is a Swedish maker of ventilation and building products listed on CBOE EU under the ticker LIAB.ST. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy LIAB.ST, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar. Type the ticker LIAB.ST and select the Lindab International AB listing from the results to find the correct asset. On the asset page, review a short company description and the price chart, and double-check the listing details to confirm it is the correct Lindab stock. To buy, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review any fees and order details, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your Lindab position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account.